Is it gonna be shown for anyone?
Yes,
The name?
you can keep anyone.
Like people gonna see the name?
No, 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 no,
On
no,
that
no, 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 no,
website?
no, no. Nobody can see.
It's only for me.
Yes.
Okay. Already okay. Oh,
Okay.
so this one is done.
Yeah, done. Then yeah.
Okay.
Then I'm
I'm advertiser.
yeah. Then your company name.
Company name.
Your website.
Mm. No, no need to. This thing is original, no?
Yeah. Your business.
Alright.
Right. Business center is how to balance. Okay. Okay.
When
Get started.
it started.
Yes. Then create an ad account.
Okay.
Okay.
Create
Now.
new.
Yes. Create now. Create new. Yes.
Okay.
Account name.
Yeah. No, wait a second.
Your time zone. You can search in the search box. Okay. Then click yeah. Wait.
Okay. Stand up.
Email verification to stuff. Yes.
Also text message.
Yeah, yes,
okay.
yes. Everything. Enter your phone number. New phone number.